I don't think I can share like two screens at one time. So nobody's watching, but if you come back and watch the replay, what I'm doing here is I'm giving you the prompts I'm working with in the chat. Um, you copy and paste them or watch how I transform them and make them and change them into different images. I'm going to try to get this channel going, teach some people how to do the AI art, different than Crystal's Crime Conversations. Okay. All right. This is Wombo. Wombo Dream. Now, Wombo has, let me turn this down. Wombo has different filters. You can generate one image at a time for free. I pay, I think it's 12.99 a month, and I'm able to generate 4 images. Now, you can, once you have an image, okay, so right now, I put the prompt in the chat. Let's create. Let's pick your filter. There's graffiti. I like that, but the background is like horrible detail. But let me show you. Look, I'll save that image, right? Take it into Canva. Make it bigger. And then, like, see how these stars are messed up? What I could do, mm, we can edit the image. Now, you can erase, and I'll show you 2 different ways. Then you can click, all the little pieces you don't want. Now, what this is going to do is it's going to grab it off the image. Like, see, I don't like that little white thing there either. This will grab it off the image. And then you can just delete them from there. And there, see, they're gone. But this one had something under it, I think, or maybe I didn't grab that. So we want to re-edit it. Now, the other way to do it is Magic Eraser. And I can click the object. That doesn't always work, though. That'll erase it. See, it's the left. So we're going to want to take the brush, size it. Let's just get rid of all of these. And they don't have to be perfect. It'll just take them out. That one was really strong, so you have to do it again. Over here too. And then look up here on a cloud. There's a little white. So the AI art always doesn't come out nice, but you can do things to it to edit it and make it better. I don't like all these little white things on here. It's a mess. See, I have a bigger one. I could just do that, and it's going to take away what I want it to. It's not going to take away what I don't want it to. That's the interesting thing about it is it can tell. Canva's gotten so good it can tell what you want removed. You know, see, I don't like this little cloud right here, so we can erase. Still a little bit of white left over. Deselect. Let's make that brush smaller. And then see, he got some funky shit on his shirt right here. So we're gonna want to take that off. Nice. Okay. And we can exit out. So that's one option. Now we can keep it the way it is, or we can hit background remover, size it. Now today, I'm just gonna go to elements. Damn. Canva has it. Most people know how to get into Canva, right? But you can go there, add the background. No, I tend to just like the on enter and animation because when it ends, it leaves with it and it just looks fun. I don't know. But here's what we just created using one, but Canva, sorry, I'm choking on my drink. There you have it, folks. Let's go back here. We're going to create more art. I think I saved those. All right, so you can pick another. I wasn't really going to explain, but I'm going to add 8K in the eyes because it'll give the eyes a better look overall. And then this should have a comma. You play with it. Like mistakes, when you type mistakes in your prompts, sometimes they turn out better. Sometimes they look for mistakes because they want it to not be copied. You know what I mean? You get better results when it's not copied. Let me go check my Suno. And now here I created just some generic music. This ain't nothing special. I didn't give it no fancy details. This is Suno AI. It's where I get all my music. What this does is it provides you a way to have copyright free music. Um, you could do many things with it. You could sell your music, you could put it in Spotify for listening. It gets better the better the more detail. I'm fine with just sitting here listening to whatever's playing on a generic, but if you put in words like let me think of a good one. Things that make it sound better is hold on. For video's sake, something that'll make your music sound better is if you put in words like commercial. Commercial gives your songs a really good. That's one prompt. That's the one I'll give you guys today because I'm going to do this every day. So we'll get into new techniques and things you could do to make things sound better, look better. And it's always a learning process. AI or always comes out fucked up, right? Like they never make it so that it's perfect. You have to play with the prompt. That's why I like Wombo because when I play with the prompt, it'll give you better details and sometimes. Okay, so very descriptive, makes really good prompts, but also sometimes just one or two words makes a great prompt. You'll learn as you go. All right, so I'm going to create some music. I'll show you how it turns out. We're going to sit here and jam. I just kind of make it like a playlist and it plays in the background. I think what I'm going to do is come on 2 hours, 2 or 3 hours every night and just play with AI and let you guys watch, give you some tips as I go. And I'll learn how to control the channel better as we go. See what people like, what they don't like. Okay, so we're on Suno. See, this one messed up. It's only 6 seconds. That one sucked. But sometimes you can get like a sting, which is like a little piece of the song. Anybody who edits music would know that. But you can get a sting and you can use those stings to sell in places like Upbeat. I haven't done it yet. I plan to. But you could sell it in places like Upbeat or um, maybe Epidemic Sounds would take you if you wanted to open a store with them. I don't know how they work, but they take like little sound effects and you can get like a sting. I'll show you. We'll end up creating one eventually because AI is never precise. It always fucks up. Always. Like you really got to fuck with it. But it's easy when you get to learn it. Okay, now this one's creating a full song. It hasn't popped up yet, but you can listen to it while it's playing. Okay, I'm going to turn it on and just go play with my AI. I'll also be showing you guys the other apps that I use. I'm going to use like Kyber. I use Pika Art. How to Leverage is a really good app that will help you with your prompting, like give your prompts better details. There's a lot of tips. It's going to take a long time, and there's new things coming out every day. AI is making a big come out. So, all right. So we're still working on this. Let's transfer to another. Let's try this one. This is just one website. This is the one I use the most, but I will show you guys how I intertwine other sites. How cute that is. See how his hands all fucked up. One. You just gotta play with the prompt. Cartoony scene. Let me see. That's a mess. Sorry. Let's just take this all out. And we'll just rewrite the whole thing. A damn it, a vibrant, colorful backdrop with a rainbow. No, no, take that out. You want to put your each item. It's best if you put the detail in. You always want to add detail. So each item you're making in your scene sometimes works out better if you add like the detail to each item. So, for instance, I'll put the vibrant, colorful backdrop with a let's put intricate detail rainbow and fluffy white clouds. Um, oh boy, I did that one. Rainbow, little fluffy white clouds and twinkling stars. Let's add something like in the middle, a adorable chibi art. You always want to look up like different kinds of art styles because you could just type that type of art style. And I don't like to use words like a lot of sites block it. Wombo does not. Like if I wanted to put in here like Snoop Dogg, it would make me Snoop Dogg. However, you can also use words like Thomas Kincaid. Okay, let's say Thomas Kincaid landscape in the background. The problem with that is then you get into copyright and things look too different. So what you could do is you could go to like Chat GPT where I am right now, and I could put, can you describe a Thomas Kincaid painting in 350 letters for Wombo Dream. Ah, see, Chat GPT. What the hell is going on here? Chat GPT's been a mess all day. You see, there's all kinds of shit missing over here. All right, this ain't gonna work today. I have to wait. I think they're updating it. Okay, so let's go. Where was I? What was I saying to you guys? Oh, you could go to Chat GPT and you can put in, describe a Thomas Kincaid painting. It's going to give you the details. Now, what I do is I put that prompt in here and I delete what I don't want in the prompt, and then I add what I want so that I can make it my own. I'm not stealing anything or always using Chat GPT's prompts that they give me, because that's just too easy. And it always usually makes a generic prompt for you. However, you can mess around with them. And there are times that Chat GPT will create like the perfect prompt and you want to keep that image. I just kind of like to stylize it and make it my own, but you could do it however you like. But let's go here. What I was putting in there, a vibrant portrait in the style of Thomas Kincaid depicts a, let's say, waterfall with intricate detail, high resolution imagery. Let's see how that turns out. So I have that on a Kinsagi. Let me turn the music back on. Hold on. All right, from here you guys can just watch me. Whoever's watching, probably nobody. We're new. But you'll catch on. But see, here's the image that it gave me. Now what I'll do, some tropical flowers, lilies, orange in color with flowers. That's one here. Okay, so it's adding a tiger head. So what I want to do is go add commas in the style of Thomas Kincaid. Waterfall over there with intricate detail. No, you can change that with intricate. I could put ultra, like just descriptive words, high resolution imagery, maybe add a period, and let's see what happens. See, it's still giving me the tiger, which is pretty. That's not what I asked for, though. So we're gonna go. Oh, I spelled that wrong. So I put a comma there and I added tiger lily. I added the word flowers. Now let's see if that'll erase the tiger. it does this, it gets stuck and you have to refresh it. I don't know why they do that. For me, Wombo's pretty cheap. It's only like $12 a month, and it gives the best result imagery that I can see. Let's see where we at. Hmm. See, that added a woman, but I like that. The one thing I don't like about Wombo is, well, you can use it both on a desktop and they have an app on your phone. On the phone, they offer you different sizes, like for your videos, if you're going to make a video with it in Canva or whatever resource you use to make your videos. But on a desktop site, they only offer you, and you can turn it from light to dark, but they only offer you this size standing up. And I don't like that. I wish we would change that. Okay. I like that. What style did I have that in? Graffiti. Striding cartoonist. Wombo's really good for changing its filters too. Oh, I don't like that. Awful. Oh, that's pretty. I'll eventually teach you guys how to put movement to it. We'll go to a video site and I'll show you how to make it move. It's gonna get stuck. let's change the prompt. So this is the start off prompt in the chat. A funny stoner character, comic art, retro 1970s vibe. That's where I started, and it turned out pretty good, except for see how the well, no, actually, that ain't bad. I'd have to remove that. Two big ass atom apples. That would have to go. You can add female bombshell. That's a mess. Hmm, highly detailed. Oh, resolution. This is what we got. So let's add. Okay, so this would be a good time. See how it's not turning out right? I can copy and paste this. 1 second. This is when I would use how to leverage. You go up here to more prompt generators. So let's say we want to make a sticker, right? You can take your prompt into here. No, I'm not using Midjourney. Let me turn this down. Right now, I'm not using like Midjourney or Playground or anything like that. So I don't want to put the Imagine prompts. No, you could use Discord for these too, but I don't use Discord. I don't even know how. So this is how you do it without Discord. But Discord, I hear you could go in there and they have like I don't know how the rooms go or whatever, but they'll help you build your art and make it better there. I don't know how it works, but fuck it. Okay. So let's say we want to turn this caricature. I can go here. I put my prompt in, and it's going to add like contour, vector, white background, detailed, and you can take it into Wombo. Let's do this. Let's see how that turns out. I'm going to play with it. You guys watch. awful. Let's try different. There we go. Oh, shit. There we go. What's he barking about? He's just over there barking. It's getting better. You have to build your prompts to get what you want. I'm sorry, I had the other screen on. I didn't realize I didn't switch screens earlier. Now, another thing you could do is let me go back. My music's over. Let's go back to Suno. Create a couple more songs. And these stay in here in your library so you can download them and always have them available. I can make, I believe it's 10 credits a song. I have 7,160 credits. Eventually, I plan on getting affiliate programs with these different apps that I'm going to be using and showing you. Today's just a start. These are the ones I use most, though. Um, you'll learn. Just watch me. I'll talk when I feel like it, and if you watch what I do, you'll learn. You'll catch on quickly. AI art's really easy and really fun, and you could do a ton of shit with it. Like you could sell wall art. You could sell. I'll show you guys as we go. Not tonight. gorgeous. Belt's messed up. But I can remove that. Beautiful. On this one, I have to remove like right here. I'll show you guys another day. See how her hair is messed up? You can take this into Canva and use their Magic Studio. That is gorgeous. That's the warped black V3 upscaling your images gives them better quality, but on Combo you get a really high quality already. If you go in Canva and you go into their apps on the sidebar, there's an image upscaler. So like see, and I'll show you guys another day, not today. Not that one. That's not a good one. See how her eyes wonky over here? You could take it into the upscaler and you can fix that sometimes. If that doesn't work, then you can take it into the Canva Magic Studio and you can fix the eye there. And you can create images on Canva too. However, I'm really in love with Canva. This needs removed. All right. What would I say? Yeah, love that. Look how gorgeous those are turning out. I don't even want to change them. I like her eyes. There we go. Gorgeous. Mm, how's he working? Did he go home? He probably wants you to lay in bed with him. Right? No, look, I could take the. Let's change it now. And just like that, the whole look has changed. Okay, so for me, her hair is too curly. So what I did wrong here, which, oh no, I didn't put that one on there. Okay, you go into the where you put the detail and change the detail. See if that changes the amount of curl a little bit. Give them a little more intricate. Let's try to put it there. Perfect. Ooh, look at that. Creativity has to flow. See, that looks too much like Barbie for me. I don't like it. I don't want my shit to look like somebody else's shit. You can tell where they take it from. What AI art is, it's just like a bunch of pieces of things that they put together, from what I understand. I need to research it better. I just love the shit, and it helps me and everything, really. Ooh, look at that. Your eyes are fucking wonky, though. I'll have to go fix that. Edit it. No, see, I don't like her because you got the brown down here. I don't like the yellow flowers in the background, but I can, if I would save that image, I'm not going to save it because I have so many. I really just like to create prompts, and then I save the prompts in several different places, and I'll show you guys that one day too. Using Canva documents is really good for that. But like, see, I really like the background on this image and this one, but on these ones, I don't feel they match. So I could change the background. I could take the orange out and delete it, or I could just put her on a whole new. Just watch me because you'll learn. I'm hands on. That's how I learn best. Now we'll try Impressionism V3. Look at that. Beautiful. Perfect. Let me check my music. And Wombo adds different filters off it. Ooh, look at that. Yes. See, with this one, you can add effects. I would add an effect right here. You know what I'm about to show you. Let's do that. Hold on. See, if you're using your phone, the app on your phone, you can make it as big as the video. On here, you can't. That fucking sucks. It really does. But let me show you real quick how you could make an effect, like right here in her thing. You want to go on Canva, go to frames. I'm just going to pick the circle right here. You can change the shape of the circle. Wait, let's give it a border. We can change the color. And then you want to search your elements. And you can make these videos too. And I will show you guys that one night when that's what I'm doing. But let's go here. Here we go. It don't really match. I'm just going to show you. And there you have an effect. Pick that one. You see how it's moving? Oh, here's a cool one, maybe. I don't like the color. You gotta look for something that's similar in color. Oh, that's fucking badass. This one probably matches best. And then let's take the background off. And like I said, videos you can make yourself. You just gotta, I'm just not doing that tonight. I'm just kind of showing you. See, this is what I don't like about these end ones. They're cut off there. Just an example. We wanted to put a forest behind her. That one actually looks a little bit better. And then if you wanted to maybe change the color a little bit. I wish they'd come up with some better filters on Canva, for real. Where did my music go? Hold on, guys. I turned it down or something. into Pika Labs and make her head, her hair, her eyes, her mouth, all of that move. Pika Labs is really good for that. I'll show you guys that one day, but let's watch this one more time, and I'm just gonna go play with Norman a little bit more, maybe come up with a new prompt. I think what I'm gonna do is just come on here and just chat while I go. I can't see the chat and stuff, of course, because I'm going back and forth from website to website. But my hope is to teach people. Oh, this shit. I'm probably gonna throw my cookies. Let's go back to that. Just to teach people how to do this, so everybody can do this. Where did that go? All right, so we want to put intensity. We can slow the speed down, slow the intensity down actually instead of up. Cool. All right, back to more bow music. Finish one chord. I'm live. I started my new channel. I learned everybody can carry live. All right, so that's watercolored. Let me see how long I've been on. We got about 25 minutes left. I'm gonna go on. If you like what you see and you want to learn how to do the AI work, give me a subscribe, turn your notifications on. Um, that's my daughter. I hope everybody's Christmas was good. Wow, that's really nice. What do I have that on Monster? You can make them with wood figures. So my idea for this channel is just like to keep it mellow. My crime channel is still going to be there. What I want to do is just like I said, come on here, show you guys how to do AI work, leave all the stress behind. Just maybe chill, listen to music, watch what I do, learn. I'll give you tips as we go along. Eventually, I'm going to make tutorial videos and things like that. I don't want this channel to be too much work. You know what I mean? Because personal crime conversations is extremely taxing when it comes to time. However, I have to make my art for that channel, so I figured why not make a second channel, which was my plan anyway. I've had this channel actually set up since 2022. I just never did anything with it. So I think New Year's resolution, I'm going to start working on this channel a lot. And I hope anybody that wants to learn is willing to go on this journey with me. It's a learning process. It gets easier as you see. It's pretty simple. You just got to put stuff in. But you want to learn how to add like details to the background or something more specific to what you want. So, and I'll teach you all that along the way. Like with the music, I showed you guys Suno. I'll teach you guys how to do the video apps, Canva. It's just a watch. Hands-on learning experience over here. God, these are gorgeous. Look at that. I think I already got some of these though. I'm going to change the prompt, I think, one last time for the day. This was going to be a test run, but it went pretty good, even though no viewers yet. We'll get there, right? I'm going to come back every night at 5 o'clock, and we'll go to 7. So share if you guys know people that want to learn, whatever. Just a chill place, no stress. All right, let's turn the music back up. jets, that. Yep. You see how I'm like changing the prompts? I'm gonna put this prompt in the chat. All right, that's it for the first live. I'll see you tomorrow at 5 for another 2 hours of just playing with AI art. I'll probably have some prompts prepared to start with. It's just a bunch of building, prompt building. That's all it is. You're going to build onto it, add what you like, add what you don't like. You can really get some really good, perfect images without too many mistakes. Like this one has the two moons. I would probably erase the smaller moon Actually, I'd probably erase both moons, go into Canva, and add a moon from Canva and add some effect to that moon another day. However, this week I think, well, I'm ready. I think the main purpose will be right now just sticking with Wombo and Canva and doing a lot of what I did today. If anybody watches and you want to see something in particular, learn how to do something in particular, have any thoughts or ideas, leave it in the comments section. Don't forget to give a like. Sub up if you've liked this and you're only meeting me for the first time. See you all tomorrow. Have fun AIing. Bye.